guys to open it. Long story short, fan of the car, the Supra, reached out to me on social media and said I could have this if I wanted it. So I sent him a little bit of money, and he sent it to me. It was kind of nice. So I was waiting for you guys to open this so we can discover it together. So I'll just set you guys down for a second. Open this thing. Oh. It's Fort Knox. Okay, ready? So this was a Canadian magazine. There's not many of these made. I couldn't imagine trying to find another one. Big bucks, $3.50 when it was new. I'll set you guys down and find the feature. Oh, there's another one. So feature ride. White lightning, they say. Oh, it's going to be hard for you guys to read this. You're just going to have to like pause as required and read it that way. Let's see. Who would have thought they'd print this on a road black? I don't even know if you guys can read that. I almost can't read that. Sport compact car, burn out of the month when it was featured. For the Motec. It is an old feature for sure. Probably one of the more rare ones. Let's go down this list for you guys. You guys can just pause as required to read this. Sorry about the dogs fighting in the background. That's all they do, play. Alright. Cool little feature. Hopefully you guys can read that. I think that's all in the car. Yep, on to the next. Super cool nonetheless. So thanks Jared for this. I'm gonna go and get a frame. I'm gonna start putting all these magazines in frames so they can stay with the car and in good shape. Really nicely kept. Short of a tiny little watermark. It's awesome. Thanks so much. Hopefully you guys can read that and enjoyed it. It's cool, I think. Alright, see you guys later.